Heat the 3 siphon zones to 620 degrees Celsius. Check that the siphon is heated and hot by peeking into the siphon tube. It should be red. Quickly pour the molten magnesium into the siphon until the molten magnesium reaches the upper part of the siphon tube. Check the height level of the molten magnesium by means of a steel rod. By means of a smaller pouring tool, complete filling the siphon until the magnesium reaches maximum level. First, cool down the temperature of the middle of the siphon, zone 2, to 450 degrees Celsius. Cool down the other 2 remaining zones of the siphon to 450 degrees Celsius. Turn over the siphon and lift it by means of a crane above the siphon openings of both furnaces. Remove both opening lids and lower the siphon into the openings. Secure the syphon to the furnaces with 2 screws. Connect the electrical power to the system. Check that no air entered the furnace and that the syphon is well positioned. Heat up the 3 siphon zones to 620 degrees Celsius.